Well, hello. How are you?
Good.
Good. Thank you for coming. I'm Officer Jimmy. This is the Truth Fairy. The Truth Fairy is going to hook you up to a machine right now. Do you know what a lie detector is?
Yeah.
A lie detector is a machine that can tell if you're lying or telling the truth. So you must always tell the truth, okay?
Okay.
All right. And then we're going to put this on your head, and we'll be all ready to go.
Wow.
That's right. It's got more gel than you, Truth
Yeah.
Fairy.
Yeah.
Do you gel your hair?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Let's start with your name. What is your name?
Blake,
Okay, very good. How old are you, Blake?
7 years old.
7 years old. What grade are you in?
First grade.
Do you like school?
Yeah.
Do you like school?
No.
No. Why don't you like it?
I'm bad at science.
You bad at science?
Yeah.
You don't like science?
No.
It's boring.
Yeah.
What courses do you like?
Math.
You like math?
Yeah.
Okay. What's 8 plus 8?
16.
14. Have you ever peed in the swimming pool? A little bit? Hold on, let me ask the Truth Fairy. Truth Fairy, have you ever peed in the swimming pool?
Yes.
You? Yes, yeah. I think we all have. It's fun.
It's great.
Sometimes I stand up on the side and pee into the swimming pool.
It's a lot of fun.
What do you like better, your mother or a puppy?
My mother.
Your mother? Why?
Because she takes care of me.
And puppies don't.
No.
Puppies only care about themselves.
Yeah.
Puppies are very selfish.
Yeah.
Do you hate puppies?
No.
Do you hate puppies?
Yeah.
Do you feel like I could get you to say anything with this machine?
No. Yeah.
Who do you think is smarter, your mom or dad?
Dad.
Dad? Why is dad smarter?
He knows way more history.
He knows more history. Does mom ever do dumb things?
No.
Does mom ever do dumb things?
Yes.
She does. What kinds of dumb things does she do?
She says bad words.
Oh, she says bad words. Like the really bad words?
Yeah.
Whoa. Do you ever say bad words?
No.
Sometimes?
A little bit.
A little bit with your friends? What are some of your favorite bad words?
And stuff.
That's one of my favorites. I don't know if we can continue with this.